Now your ink dispenser, I'll show you the controls on the box for the ink dispenser, but while we're here at this control panel, you have this primer button. Basically that primer button means to dispense ink. And if you look in here, you see you have your ink dispenser cylinder that's moving the hose. So when I hit and hold this primer button, it's dispensing, and then I let go and it comes back. So now when I hit that, you can see up here your ink dispenser is actually, the motor is spinning. And it's dispensing, and then I let go and it stops. So that, the ink dispenser will dispense ink out of the hose and move the cylinder only while you have the button down. As soon as you let go, it retracts and stops the pump. So when you hit that ink dispensing button over there, it moves the cylinder on the print head assembly and it turns this pump on. Okay, so it turns this on, runs the motor, runs the pump, and dispenses ink out of the hose and into your screen. So you got to make sure power's on here. This primer button is the same type of button that I just showed you on the control panel. It does the same thing. So it dispenses and it moves the hose. I let go and it stops and retracts. If I want to do just half, I'm going to hold it and then let go. So you have your ink dispenser, you have your pump speed. So if I turn this well, let's leave it right now. We're at 5. If I hit this, you can see the speed of this rotating. Now if I turn this way down, you'll see it. Oh, it's not even enough. It's real slow. If I go to 10, super fast. So there's almost a point where it's too slow and it won't even like actuate. So we see about number 5 on that is good. So that's your overall ink dispenser setup. This is the hose running down into the screen. Let's say you now need to change what you're dispensing. So this end of the hose is going to go up and into your bucket of, I know your case you're not printing ink, but we'll just call it ink. So this is going to go up and into your bucket of ink. And then the other end is going to go over and into the screen. Now when I hit the primer button, you can see the motor turns forward. Okay. So you're going to take this out, put this with your bucket of ink, change your bucket of ink, put the new piece in. You're going to need to buy some more of this, but we'll include a couple pieces, and then you lock it in place. Okay, then you're good to go. Basically what that's doing is, as those rollers spin, it's creating a siphon effect, and it's sucking out of here and pushing it out the other side.